continue to make noise, and it's going to be an issue.
Come on, bro. Come on.
I'm sorry.
I'm at the door, so I was wondering if I could make a turn.
Calling the police ASAP.
Welcome to Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content.
Hey,
I was just charging up my phone.
no, get
Can I
the
charge my
fuck
phone?
away from my. Who are you?
I'm homeless. I just was trying to charge my phone up.
Okay, you have 5 seconds to get away from my door. Somebody did he still see a homeless charging his phone in the backyard.
Check this man out. Guess what he's selling at 12 o'clock at night?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry, it's late. I know. I got cat food.
Cat food?
Yes, ma'am.
You're selling cat food
Yes, ma'am.
at midnight?
Oh, it's midnight. I don't know what time is it. You know, I'm drug addict. And
Okay.
just told me.
Please don't ring the bell this late at night, okay?
Okay, I wouldn't. I'm sorry. I'll see you tomorrow.
Yes.
All right. Sorry
He's
about
trying to
that.
come back tomorrow. He's determined to get rid of that cat
Okay.
food.
Yo, you doing?
That's how my grandpa used to jog. I guess this couple thought they could kick it for a few on this porch, but they got the wrong one.
Calling the police. Get away from my door. I'm calling the police. Get away from my door. Get away from my fucking door. Get off of my fucking steps before I come over there and shoot y'all in your ass and then call the police. Don't come back on my fucking steps. Get the fuck out of here. I'm calling the police ASAP. Get off my steps. Don't let me come the fuck over there. Do not let me come the fuck over there. If I see you in the park, it's gonna be on. Get the fuck from in front of my door. I'm calling the police right now. I have you on camera. I'm calling the police. I see you. I see you. I'm calling the police. And when I come over there, you better not be in that park. You better not be in that park.
Check this lady out. She comes onto this porch with some weird statements.
Do it now.
Let me know what you think.
Why are you at my door?
There's no one at the door, so I was wondering if I could make a turn.
What are you talking about?
At the door, at the end of the door, I was making if I could turn on a torn at the end of the door.
Ma'am, get away
There's
from
no
my
one
door.
making.
Get away from my
Okay.
door.
Let me know if you guys think you know what she was talking about, because that was weird. Make sure you keep those doors locked and try not to keep any personal information or valuables in your car.
What do you want?
Oh, sorry, wrong house.
Wrong house, my ass. The police are on the way. Leave.
Oh.
Can I help you?
Yeah, I was looking around to see if there was a phone number to get
You're
some more information on this
trespassing.
stuff.
You
What's
are
that?
trespassing. You are trespassing. You don't walk onto somebody's property. I've got you on camera, and if you don't exit my property, I'm going to call the police right now. Get off the property. You've got to be kidding me. Thanks for putting yourself on camera, buddy.
Hello?
I think I have the wrong apartment. I'm sorry. My
I
bad.
guess so. I guess so, yeah.
Sorry. I'm sorry. So sorry.
It's okay.
I think it's at the other end.
Let me know what you think of this situation here. Are these people plotting?
Yo, they down in that crib, bro. They down in that crib, bro. Walk up, push that, nigga. Don't be pussy. No, don't be pussy. You too late, nigga. Yeah, nigga. There's 3 more of them, nigga. What you doing?
Please leave the package outside. If you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
So I'm pretty sure you're aware that you're making so much noise throughout the day that your upstairs neighbors can hear. And then multiple times they tried to tell you nicely, but you continue to make noise, and it's going to be an issue.
Come on, bro. Come on.
Like,
Who?
Hey, do you know a person named Kelly Sanders over here?
No, I think maybe on the other side of the street, maybe.
Huh? So you know a short
No,
girl?
I don't know who you're speaking. No short girl came.
That came by here?
Oh, hello? Hello? Yo.
Huh?
Yo, get out of the garage. Get the fuck out.
Okay.
Get the fuck out.
Okay, I'm sorry.
This guy came to search for this man's daughter.
Can you leave my house, please?
You open the door, please.
You have nothing to do with my house. Can you leave my house?
You know what my name is?
I don't know who you are. You don't belong to this neighborhood. That's for sure.
This is my neighborhood, though.
Yeah, I live there. I don't know you.
My name is Harry Dresden, motherfucker. Open the door. This is my neighborhood. Open the fucking door. Now, or I will fucking end you. Do you understand me?
Can I help you?
Hi, I'm with Synergy.
Yeah, I'm not interested.
Oh, do you not have?
As always, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Please be safe out there, and I'll catch you in the next one.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Please, I need a ride. Please, I need a ride. Who's those stupid ass people?
Abrió, pero... No. Ahí voy yo. ¿Aló? ¿Aló?
Thank you for watching Hood Watch News. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.